It's this simple. Your vortex is full of stuff you've asked for. You feel good. It'll come in perfect timing. Sometimes it'll be an idea. Sometimes it will be an impulse to act. Sometimes it will be somebody else saying something. Sometimes you get hanging around. Esther's been running around with Tracy, her daughter, and Jeannie, her sister, and Becky, her sister, and it's uncanny how often they say the thing that she is looking for. Or a stranger in Home Depot. In other words, your cooperative components are everywhere all around you. You don't need to be the single-handed mighty creator of your own reality. The grid's filling in with so much help if you'll just chill and let it come. But in your determination to get it right, in your determination to be good, in your determination to dot every I and cross every T, in your determination, and this is the big one, in your determination to find approval from those onlookers